this out. New iPad case. Sweet. So got this case from Rugged, pretty sweet. Open it up here, can't wait to put it on my iPad. Pretty awesome, love the travel handle on it. So yeah, gonna be pretty great. Gonna be nice to keep my iPad nice and protected in this for traveling, and also for when Ryder's using it and it's in my bag. So can't wait to test it out. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so here it is. Put it on. Pretty protective. I like it. Got a stand that goes on the back of it too. I really like the handle on it a lot. That'll be nice. And yeah, you can see this being great for kids. Just with the handle, the big bumper corners on it, it really wasn't hard to put on. It's just these pins in the back here. Slide that plastic on, drop those pins in. Much easier